Beautiful world, my name is Princess Katie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what is in the February 2019 Goddess Provisions box. Today is February 5th, 2019, and I'm going to be showing you what's inside my Goddess Provisions box. Goddess Provisions is a monthly subscription, and every month you get vegan, cruelty-free products that are high-vibe lifestyle goods. And I love each and every single product. It makes me feel like a woman. Everything in there is always designed to make you take time for yourself, to enjoy yourself, and to pamper yourself. And there's usually a tea or some type of little yummy treat, so I'm so excited to share with you guys what's inside. So I have no idea what's inside the box because I'm opening it up with you. All I did is slit the little bit of tape that's right here, and it slides open like that. Here, I don't want to dump it. I gotta go like this. I'm gonna give you guys the first peek. I'm excited. What is in here? Hold on, let me move my keyboard over so I have some space. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, the first thing I see comes in a little spray bottle. I really wish it wasn't in this plastic bag, but that's okay. I'm trying to do less of the plastic. And it does appear to be in like a heavy duty plastic, but this is the Coal Miner's Daughter organic, vegan, handcrafted. I think I tried to combine organic and vegan. Ooh, this is Cosmic Dust Hair Health Perfume. So it's like a hair perfume. H2O, pomegranate, MCT coconut oil, infused with organic candula flowers, rose petals, silver fir needle, chamomile, lavender, and rosemary oils. Can you see that? One thing that's good about the dark bottle is it's really going to protect the essential oils that are in there. It's going to give this a longer life. I love it. Okay, what's up next in our box? I think I see soap. Ooh, what is that? Is there a rock in there? That looks pretty cool. This is Orange Scented Citrus Comet. The vibration of this bright stone will accelerate your motivation and aid you in your goals. Use this soap to inspire and keep the carnelian around you to keep your energy boosted. Oh, so it's carnelian. That's pretty neat. I never thought of sticking a crystal inside some soap. The ingredients: coconut oil, sustainable palm oil, sunflower oil, glycerin, purified water, sodium, oat protein, orange essential oil, mica pigment, and poppy seeds. I can pronounce everything inside that bar. This is pretty exciting. I'm excited to wash myself and get this little crystal out. I love collecting rocks and crystals. One thing about Goddess Provisions is they always have awesome little rocks. So let's see what's next. I am drawn to this. It looks like a tapestry. Once again, I wish this little plastic wasn't around it, but I guess it's just the way the world is. There's lots of plastic everywhere. And that kind's not recyclable. Oh, I'm really excited for this. Is this like a pillow cover? Oh my god, I think it's a pillow cover. Guys, that is so cute. Let me make sure it definitely is. As far as I know now, it's a pillow cover. There's a little zipper, and then I guess you just put whatever little pillow you already have that doesn't look so cute inside this. I have the perfect pillow that's gonna go inside of this. I am so excited. Thank you, Goddess Provisions. You really just decorated my bed in such a cute way. I love it. I love the little star patterns. I love the beautiful little goddess. Let's see what is next. Ooh, what is that? Chocolate! Way of Chocolate and Goddess Provisions Special Edition Citrus Dark Chocolate 8 pieces. Ooh, 70% cacao, vegan, gluten-free, no GMOs, paleo, made with flower remedies. Flower remedies. I feel like I've heard about that. I feel like flower remedies is these like essential oils that like you eat and they're supposed to make you healthy. I don't know. Ooh, citrusy, way joyful. It's like this cute little orange foil, which lets you know that it's citrusy flavored. I like that. I love orange. I think it's February and it is cold, and this orange color and chocolate is just making me feel good. Let's see how it tastes. A little bit hard. I dropped the piece. I usually like milk chocolate, but I can do a dark chocolate. Oh yeah, it's very powerful dark chocolate. I would say a piece a night would really like curb my sweet tooth for like tons of crappy ice cream. This is really good. I am very satisfied with this candy. Thank you so much, guys, Provisions, for sending me a yummy treat. It's been a couple months since you sent me some chocolate. Don't wait that long from sending me special treats. I love them too much. Boy, did I really like that. Thank you for a treat, Goddess Provisions. Okay, I think it's bubbling down. I don't know what's left in here. I'm gonna peek. I see something in cardboard. Spark the imagination, connect through awakening creativity. Inspire through unique, beautiful creations. Kind of trippy. Kind of excited to see what's inside of it. Really like the cardboard packaging because I am sure that this is either recycled or can be re-recycled. So really like the packaging. I'm excited. I'm really excited because I think it's like sacred geometry stuff, and we're into that. Oh, this is so dope. That is so cool. Technician of the Sacred. I really like that. Look into the stars. What appears to be scattered across the sky randomly is actually ordered in precise geometric patterns. Your new sphere stand, ooh, it's for a crystal ball. Your new sphere stand, I lost my spot, sorry. Your new sphere stand is one of these geometric patterns created by the cosmos over the span of 8 years by connecting Venus, planet of love and harmony, and Earth's orbit around the sun. This beautiful flower is created. It's called the Dance of Venus. That's beautiful. So evidently, they looked at how Venus and our sun, or excuse me, how our Earth interact, and that is the orbit that Venus takes. And evidently, you're supposed to put a little crystal in the middle. So I kind of have a hunch that the last thing in the box is going to be some type of crystal sphere because we haven't seen this month's crystal yet. And I'm right. Let's see what it is. It's in this little plastic container. And what is that? It looks like chevron amethyst to me. It's a pretty cool little piece. Let me see if I feel any energy from it. I will cleanse this. I will run it through some smudge smoke. Kind of get the energies off from wherever it came from. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm pretty sure this is chevron amethyst. Looks pretty cool. I really like that. So I really enjoyed this month's box. In the bottom of every box, they give you a little cheat sheet. Such beautiful artwork. And on the back, it gives you a little rundown of all of the products that were in the box. So this month we got the pillowcase cover, the crystal bar of soap, Citrus Comet, the Coal Miner's Daughter Cosmic Dust Spray for your hair, the Way or Why of Chocolate, Joyful Chocolate, Orange Candies, the Technician of the Sacred Crystal Sphere Stand, and then it says Amethyst. I still think it's chevron, but the Amethyst Spear. I really love this month's box. Thank you so much. And to thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. If you feel my vibes, please like this video. And if you want to watch me grow, please subscribe. Thank you again. I know your time is so precious. So thanks for spending the day with me. I'm hoping that you come as a viewer, but leave as my friend. found more chocolate. It came with 8 pieces. You weren't supposed to see me like